In this video, I'll show you how to add a recipient in Wise. First, open the Wise app or website and sign into your account. Next, select Recipients from the main menu. Then click Add a Recipient to start adding a new person or business. After that, choose whether you're adding yourself, someone else, or a business. Enter the recipient's details, such as their name and bank information. The exact information Wise asks for depends on the recipient's country and currency. Now, carefully review the bank details you entered. Make sure the recipient's name, account number, and other required information are correct before saving the recipient. Next, select Save or the available confirmation button. Wise will add the recipient to your list, so you can select them when you're ready to send money. Finally, return to Recipients and confirm that the new recipient appears in your list. You can select the recipient later when creating a transfer. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a recipient in Wise. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.